Hey guys, it's Roger with Roger's Reviews, and got a box open today. And let's see, what do we do today? It's Wednesday. It's actually Thursday morning now. But we had a customer had a dead tree. Well, actually, their neighbor had a dead tree, and they knew it was going to fall, and the neighbor never did anything about it. So ended up falling in my customer's yard, and they had to pay to get it removed. So if you know somebody or you have a neighbor that has a dead tree, send them a certified letter, because if not, it's going to be your liability and your responsibility when the tree falls on your property. So just remember that. Anyway, we got it cleaned up almost before it rained on us, so everything was okay. Let's see what we got here. Where's this from? Let's see. Lithium metal batteries in compliance. What's going on here? 0.7 pounds. Don't let this thing explode on you, crazy man. There you go. You guys can have that. I like that little switchblade action. Ooh. Oh man. It's been such a long day, I forgot what we had here. So let me go ahead and show you. Make sure we're on. Testing. We are on. Everything's up and running. So should be good. All right. This is the Blink Video Doorbell 2-way audio HD video monitor and Chime app alert and Alexa enabled, wired or wire free.
Which skill do you want to enable?
Oh boy. This was
Which skill do you want to enable?
Alexa, stop. Got too many devices. All right. This is let's see. It was $47.49, and tax was $356. So the total came to $51.05. So there is the receipt, and the reason I got this was because I don't have a doorbell and I don't have power to the doorbell, which I don't have, and I had another doorbell. It was battery powered and it eventually died on me. So I do have Wi-Fi, so I thought, you know what, this battery is made to last for a while. So and it works with Alexa, and I have a little monitor that that will work with this. So needless to say, I can hook it up to my phone or the little monitor, and it should work. I bought my mom something similar to this, but it was more expensive. So this was the least expensive that would work for me. So Blink Video Doorbell, battery or wired, day plus night, HD live view, 2-way audio, chime alerts, works with Alexa. Features may vary with configuration and setting. Additional features available when wired or with Sync Module 2, sold separately, whatever that is. Okay, smart security designed for every home. Set it up in minutes. Receive notifications from app whenever a visitor presses your video doorbell or motion is detected. You can also choose to wire it to sound your existing home chime. What's in the box? One Blink Video Doorbell, black 130 by 42 by 27 millimeter. 2 AA 1.5 volt batteries in 4 screws. and 1 screwdriver. Install wired or video. All right. No more wondering who is at your door. Blink Video Doorbell lets you answer your door no matter where you are. Receive customized alerts right from your Blink Home Monitor app. And experience helpful features like HD day and night video and two-way audio. Save and share events. Record photos and videos with the optional Blink subscription. Be careful, boys. Play or locally for no reoccurring fee with the Sync Module 2 and USB sold separately. So I guess you can buy a subscription or buy something else that stores, I guess, the video. All right. And Amazon.com Series LLC 410 blah blah blah. Requires a high-speed internet connection, always on high internet connection such as broadband, fiber, or DSL. Mobile device, iOS, Android, or Fire OS. Wireless network, 2.4 gigahertz. Mobile device, tech specs, Blink Video Doorbell. Anyway, so are you guys ready for me to open this little package? I think I've read every bit of verbiage on here, I think. So let's see how. Peace of mind at your door. Yay! Alright, did I cut this not enough? I need to sharpen my knife. Do not cut it so gingerly. Alright. I think we got it this time. You're supposed to open it like that. Voila. Put this over here so you guys can see exactly what's in here. Alright, what's this little thing? Blue dot that's sticking and won't come off. Is that a little sticky sticker? Alright, what's this say? How to mount the doorbell, video doorbell. Step 1, attach the back plate of the video doorbell to your home with the 2 included screws. Step 2, align the top of the front device with the top of the back plate at an angle so the hooks align. Step 3, press the device flush against the back plate firmly and put straight down until you hear and feel a slight click. To confirm it's secure. It is secure. I need help, visit blinkforhome.com/setup, call 781-332-5465 and press 1. All right, that's that. There's the device. Blink. Oh, it blinked at me. Did you see that? Woohoo! Oh, no batteries. Very simple. Very elegant. What's that do? Don't push anything unless you know what you're doing, bud. Alright. Well, fingers are too big. Come out of there. Why is this not coming out? Why do they make stuff like that? Okay, there's the backing plate, and there's like a little. Why did they make this stuff so strange? You can't just. It's like it doesn't want to come out. There. All right. Come out. I don't understand. Like, how do you overcomplicate stuff? Just let me have my stuff. All right. There's nothing else in there of value, right? They overdo these packages, man. They make them so like extravagant. Pay for the packaging. Ship it to me. All right. Here's the instructions. Blah blah blah. upside down. Important product information safety warning. Do not shock yourself. Battery safety. Lithium batteries are accompanying with the device can be recharged. Cannot be recharged. Do not open the disassemble or bend them or disform them, or they will blow up in your face. Product specifications. Model number BDM00200U. Electrical range. Let's see. Wiring 16 to 24 VAC. Operating temperature -4 to 113 degrees. FCC compliant. Recycling your device, additional safety compliance, blink terms. Before using the blink device, read the terms at http://blinkforhome.com/blink terms, warranties, and notices. Blah, blah, blah. Limited warranty. Blink is discovered by 1 year. Limited warranty details. Okay. Anyway, typical BS. Doesn't tell me jack. All right. What I'm thinking is, put the batteries in here, you slap it on the wall, and you turn your phone on and hook it up to your, I don't know, something like that. Okay. So, this has a sticker. So I would say just screw this with two, okay, where's the screw? Okay. Here's the screws. So we have 2 wood screws with a Phillips bit, and then we have 2 drywall anchors. We have 2 very tiny wire nuts that are used probably for like doorbell low voltage wiring, and then we have 2 machine screws that are like a weird Phillips head. So I'm guessing you screw this thing to the wall with the 2 screws, and then this thing snaps on there and click. But I don't want to click it because then the stupid thing, I'll probably break it trying to get it apart. It's because you have to push, probably have to push something weird to get it to yeah, you're not getting this thing off. You're gonna end up breaking it probably to get it apart. Probably. Anyway, so how does this thing work? How do you initiate the initiation? Getting started with Blink is easy. Download the Blink Home Monitor app. Oh shit, let me get my phone. Hold on. Let me drop my stuff here for a second. I'll use my alternative phone here. Okay, this thing back on. All right, download Blink app. Okay, App Store. Where's my App Store at? I can't find it. I can never find the App Store. Hello, where are you, App Store? It's probably app. There it is, App Store. All right, App Store. Search for download Blink Home Monitor app. So I'm just going to put Blink Home Monitor app. So I'm going to hit that. Scroll up. Blink Home Monitor utilities. So I'm going to get that. And then I'm going to put my thumb on there so it initializes payment and it rapes my bank account. All right. Next, insert the batteries into the video doorbell and add your device to your account in the app. This is probably going to charge me a monthly fee or something. For $29.95, you can be on our list to monitor your doorbell. All right, what's it asking me? For my email. At Gmail. .org. Oh boy, let's do this. Hope it doesn't ask me for something crazy. Just do it like my normal one. Invalid credential. Oh, wait a minute. I'm trying to create an account, dummy. All right. I'm in the United States. Next. East United States. Yes. Yes. Oh boy. This is the worst part of these things. Everybody wants all your information. Alright, create account. Now you have to go to, we just sent you a code. Your code is, alright, Blinky. You got a 6-digit code. Verify. Okay. Allow. All right. See how long this takes? Okay. Oh my God. Link your Blink account to your Amazon account. Whatever. Link it, Goofy. Oh boy, I don't want to do all this. Why do they make it? It's like, why do they have to do all this crap? They want to bill me through Amazon, probably. Ah, man. It's probably not the right one. Alright. Blink wireless camera system. Start with sync module, then add wireless cameras. I don't want to do that. Blink wireless cameras, mini cameras, Blink doorbell. That's what I got. Okay, capture the QR code on the device, enter the serial number. Or enter. Okay, so I'm going to scan QR code. The system is a group of cameras that can be armed, disarmed, and scheduled together. Choose a system for your Blink video, blah, blah, blah. Sync, okay. System name, doorbell. Doorbell. All right, done. It's my doorbell. Okay. You have a sync module. Add without a sync module. I don't have a sync module. Okay. Remove back cover. Insert the pin. Include in your package in the hole at the bottom of your Blink video doorbell and lift it up to open the back door. Okay, so this is my thing that's stuck. Oh, this is, the back door is already open. I guess this is what You slide in to open the back door. Okay, that's how you get in and out. All right, the back door's open. Continue. Wait until the LED blinks red. If the LED doesn't blink red after 30 seconds, okay, discover device. Okay, we're discovering device. Join the Blink network. Joining Blink. Blinky says hello. All right, man, we're 20 minutes into this sucker. All right, allow Blinky. Blinky says hello. Just kidding, it didn't say hello. I'm having a feeling that this might work. So Blinky has his own network. Come on, Blinky. I don't have a drill. I don't think. Shit. No, wait, I do. I do have a drill. All right. Hopefully this drill will work. It's a junky drill, but I don't have them. I need bits now. Shit. I'm gonna take a restroom break here. I got a drill, but I don't have to get bits for it. So, all right. Listed below are the Wi-Fi networks. Let's choose True Life. And the password, of course. What's the password? I have no idea. Hopefully that's the right one. Was I right? We'd like to save this password in your keychain to use with apps or websites. You can view, remove, save passwords, whatever. Save password. I don't even know if it's the right password though. Connecting to Blink servers. Okay, connect. See this? I mean, we're at 22 minutes already. So this is something, if you guys don't have at least 15 or 20 minutes or half an hour, I would probably not open this box. Okay, look at this. What are they doing? Tree Life 1, 584 tree. Okay. Blink video doorbell failed to connect. The most common cause of failure is when adding the Blink doorbell is an incorrect or misspelled Wi-Fi password. The password you entered is displayed above. All right. Let's retry. Continue. Oh, you got to go through all this crap again? Rediscover device. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. I put one wrong character wrong or something. But they should not allow you or have you go through the whole thing. All right. I'm going to probably, if this doesn't work this time, I'm going to end the video. Because it's already 23 minutes and you guys are getting extremely bored, I'm sure. So, but anyway, you just, once you go through this, I think that's it. And then you just take the screw this to the wall like so, and then snap this thing onto it. And then other than that, hopefully these batteries last more than a few months. They gave me generic energizers, so. All right, we're gonna try this one more time. Enter the password. Adding Blink video doorbell, connecting to Blink servers. I don't know why it's not working. I can't remember. Updating firmware. This will take more minutes. All right. While that is happening, I think I'm gonna go get, should I go get a bit to screw, or you know what? I'm just gonna get a screwdriver. I'm not gonna need a bit for 2 screws. Hold on, I'll be right back. I just need a Phillips head screwdriver somewhere out there. found one. Phillips head screwdriver. Hopefully it'll work in this little screws. All right, Blink Video Doorbell has been added to your app. Continue. Continue. Okay. Would you like to wire your doorbell? No. Wiring extends your battery life. Mount without wiring. Before you get started, your Blink Video Doorbell kit includes Blink Video Doorbell 2 screws, 2 wire nuts, paper mounting template, and optional wedges. Power drill for mounting the back cover and wedge corner if needed. Sticky tape for taping the paper drill template to the wall. Continue. Are you going to mount the Blinky doorbell in place of an existing doorbell? No. Are you using a wedge or corner? Wedges and corners may be purchased separately. Use wedge or corners to mount your camera at an angle. No. Drill holes in the desired Blinky Video Doorbell position. We recommend securing your Blinky doorbell with your old doorbell was. Tape the drill bit template, including the package 40 by 48 high on your wall inches, then drill holes through the hole location of the template. Continue. Screw the back cover to this wall, remove the paper template, align the back corners to the holes. Corner holes, drill and use screws. Include your package to screw the back cover to the wall plate. Continue. Place the Blink Video Doorbell on the back cover. Align the 2 edges of the Blink Video Doorbell to the back cover. Push it firmly against the back cover and pull down to the lock it in place. The doorbell is now secured and cannot be removed unless you insert the special titanium key pin at the bottom of it. So don't lose this little thing here. You could probably use a little screwdriver, but I guess this. Watch a video to mount the doorbell. Okay, Blink Video Doorbell installed complete. Done. Okay, that's it. Welcome to Blinky. Then welcome to your Blinky Plus plan trial. 30-day trial has been activated and covers all devices on your account. You won't be charged when the trial ends and can cancel at any time. Oh, that's where they catch you. Please, any cameras currently subscribed to basic plan will continue to be billed. Never miss a moment. Access unlimited video, cloud video recording on every motion, and live video for 60 days. Save and share your videos. Download and save your videos on mobile devices to watch later and share others. See what happens between events. Reoccurring snapshots are taken throughout the day so you can see what's happening between. Yeah, you're like, oh, hi. You're going to, look at these. Look at this craziness. You're going to pose in front of the thing. All right. Okay, I guess that's it. Event response. Arm. If I arm it, press the Blinky Video Doorbell to arm. Enable motion detection. Make sure motion detect setting is enabled to review alerts when motion is detected. This will impact your battery. Press Blinky Video Doorbell with arm only after the doorbell press, or will wait to 24 hours. All right. Bing bong. Arm your. Someone is at your Blinky door. Okay, so what do I do? I hit that. Do I see myself? Yes, I do. Hello.
Yes, I see myself. Hello.
All right, enough of that. Close. All right, it works. So, record clips can be found here. Got it. All right. I guess that's it. Now all I need to do is go outside and mount this to the wall and connect it. All right, guys. I'm sure you don't want to see me doing that. It's already been 30 minutes. So, anyway, well, you've seen it took about 20 minutes to set all this up. Maybe you might be a little smoother than me, tech savvy. You might be able to do it quicker. But Now I'm hoping they don't keep billing me or whatever. They don't have my credit card information, but they do have my email, and they have my Amazon account connected. So we will see in 30 days or 90 days, whatever, see if I start getting billed from somebody or requesting a bill. I don't want cloud storage. I don't need it. I want something that's free. I hook up and I can see on my phone. I don't need anybody recording things in the cloud for me. Anyway, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews on the Blink Video Doorbell Kit. Has everything you need to know who's here or at your house ringing your doorbell when you're not there, or if you're home. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.